Kyrie. Hey. Hey. Okay, sit. Sit. Stay. See, look, we're giving her her food. Stay. Good girl. See, she's doing good. While she chases her food bowl. Huh. She doesn't have the food aggression. This needs to be kept up every day. Okay, leave it. Stay. Good girl. Okay, there you go. Sweet girl in her little butt spot. Oh, baby. Yeah, and there's Daddy. Oh, Junior. Yeah. Goofball. Come on. Outside. Junior, come on. Good boy. Nope. Come on. It's time to be outside. Junior, come on. Hey. Sit. Ah. Hi, baby. Yeah, leave her food alone. Good boy. Stay.